So hi guys, welcome to Chart Traders channel for tomorrow trade setup. So we have Manju also with me. So hi Manju.
Hi Hemant, hi all.
Hi all. So hope you guys made a good profit today to gap up and reach the 14,700 levels, almost near 14,700 levels today. So hope you guys remember during 2 weeks back I and Manju made a live session about a budget view, how Nifty can react for next 2 weeks. So this was the view. Okay, so if you look here, it was at this level 14,600 levels. We mentioned that due to budget we'll see a slight correction and then we'll see a bounce back. So Nifty has reacted in the same way. You can also watch this video which we have done it on 25th of January. Okay, so let me share the switch over the screen. So 1 second. Hope you guys are able to see the screen. Yeah, okay. So you can watch this video. See, you can see here maximum on 25th of January we have mentioned it. On the uptrend we can expect
Yes.
14,500, and if it breaks this 14,500 it can reach to 14,700 and 14,700.
Yeah.
This was the uptrend which I was trying to explain, and the downtrend
15k.
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 So
Yes.
that's a level on to the
Yes.
uptrend.
Yes.
For this week, I mean
Yes.
next week level. Okay, it's not only for next week.
Yeah.
It's the week for the 2 weeks. Okay, the levels for the next
Yeah.
2 weeks.
2.5 weeks. Like it is almost like February, you can say.
So you can see this range. Okay, and this way. Okay. Yeah. What I am expecting is it
Yeah.
can move in this way. Let me mark this in red. Yes, you can see Nifty has moved in same way which we were trying to explain you 2 weeks back, and Nifty has moved the exact same way. Hope you guys understand the power of the price action. So it is the concept of price action, guys. So if you learn this technical, it's really very helpful. So that's the reason I want to share this to you. So even you can start predicting, and you can also understand how market is going to move. So that was in the view which I wanted to give you guys, why technical is very important. So let's look how Nifty is going to react tomorrow. Let's look at the Nifty chart. So Nifty chart, currently we have a resistance at the new high. I mean that was in high, right? 14,730, 760. That's in resistance for now. Usually when it moves at the 52 weeks high, right, it will again try to give a downwards. Okay, so you can take that as a resistance. Okay, so if suppose Nifty give a gap up, then we can see it will reach at 14,760. Okay, and the current support is, which I mentioned here, is 14,400. Sorry, it is the for intraday support. The support will be 14,600. If it break this trend line, right, we can expect it can reach to 14,400, 500 levels. And as I mentioned in today's telegram message, 14,500 is a strong support. Okay, that will be a strong support for that was today's low. Okay, if it break this 14,466, we can see downwards of 100 points. Okay, note down this there is a gap, right, and it can try to fill. If it break below this 14,500, we can see Nifty filling this gap. Okay, so that's the reason I've given this level 14,350 and can also reach to 14,256. And a downtrend, this is a strong support. Okay, 14,256, that is what I'm expecting. On uptrend, if it break this, the strong resistance 14,768, we can see a good upward moves towards 14,800, 850, 900. So that's not for only for tomorrow, that's for coming days. Okay, so that's a level for an Nifty, guys. So if you look at the OI data, also is saying the same thing. You can see, so currently we have a volume, both the volume same at 14,600. So if it break this 14,700, we can see a good upward move till 14,800, 900 and 15,000. So that's a level which we are going to look for coming days. And a downtrend, if it fails to hold at 14,500, we can expect 14,300 and also 14,200. So that's, I hope you guys got a good idea about how to trade on Nifty seeing these levels. So let's move on to the bank Nifty, guys. So we have a strong support at 34,655. Okay, so if it breaks this today's high, we can expect bank Nifty moving towards 34,700, 800, 35,000 also. Okay, so it need to break this today's high, then we can see a good upward move. And the support is 34,000, which I have mentioned in Telegram as well today. So if it break, we can see it should be 33,600 levels. Okay, it is not 34, it is 33,600 and 33,500, and it can also try to fill this gap. The maximum it can fall till 33,000 downtrend. Okay, so that's a level on the chart. So let's look at the OI data. So if you look at the OI data is also saying the same thing. Okay, so it's an strong resistance at 35,000 and good support at 34,000. If it fails to hold this 34,000, we can see 35,000 and also 33,500 can also reach to 33,000. So that's a level onto the OI data. So note down, guys, this is only for educational purpose. If you are trading, please contact your finance advisor. So let's move on to our training program. So training program we are going to start on February month. So if you guys are interested, you can contact me. So this is about our training topic. So let's look at the charts for tomorrow. So Axis Bank. So Axis Bank, currently we have a resistance at 723. So if it move above this 723, you can see Axis Bank moving towards 740. So that's a level for intraday. And if it fails to hold at 708, we can see 694 and further downwards you can also see. So that's a level on the Axis Bank. Apollo Hospital, the current market price is 2,713. So if it break this resistance 2,725, okay, if it break this resistance, we can see a upward move to 2,750 levels, and it downwards, if it fails to hold this support 2,690 or 685, we can see a downfall till 2,660 and can also reach to 2,644. Okay, so that's a level onto the Apollo Hospital. Tata Steel. Okay, so Tata Steel current resistance is 648. If it break this resistance, it can move to 660. So that's an level for the upwards, and it downwards. If it fails to hold this 635, 633, can see the next level is 621. So that's a level on the Tata Steel, guys. So if you have any queries, you can ping us. We are done with our view. So please ping us if you have any queries. We will hold on for a couple of minutes for any stocks you want. Hi Manja.
Hello.
Yeah, is live stream working, right? Okay.
Yeah, it's
So have you got any
I didn't see
messages
anything.
from anyone?
Not.
So hope it was very clear to you guys. So 14,730.60 is very important resistance. If it breaks, we can see a good upward moves. That's in Nifty, and Bank Nifty 34,000 is a support. Okay, if it break, we can see a downfall till 33,600 levels. So if you have any queries, you can ping us. So we'll wait for a couple of minutes. So I think it's time of we are planning to have a short video only.
One of the guys is asking about Tata Motors.
So let me switch over to the Tata
Actually,
Motors.
on Saturday also we discussed and we told that it can move upside, right?
One
We had
second.
discussed on the 11th also, and today it has moved up to 3.310 or 315, I guess. Tata Motors.
Hmm. So hope you guys should be able to see the Tata Motors. Okay. Full screen. So I did not get that message. Okay. So let's look at the current Tata Motor price is 322. So today it gave a good move. Okay. So as I said, it is still has a potential to move further. Okay. If we are holding Tata Motors, you can uh, still hold with a stop loss around this 300 levels. Okay. It can still further move. Okay. If it fills this gap again, it's going to make a good move. So he's looking for an intraday, Manju, or hello.
No, you didn't mention
Mm,
about intraday or positional.
okay.
You just asked for the view.
Okay. Let's take a 2 minutes, 2 hours candle. Okay. See, on the hourly, it is still on the uptrend. Okay. So if we can expect Tata Motors still it can move to
He's,
357. Okay.
he's looking for intraday and
Okay, if he is looking for intraday. Okay, so if it
no,
breaks
both. He's looking for both.
both, okay, if it break this 323 levels, right, we can see good upward moves. Okay, we can look at this levels. Okay, so stop loss will be more because today we had a good upward move, right? So the stop loss will be more than 20 points. Okay, but if it break this 323, so you can look for a buy. Okay, it can give a good upward move. So that's a level on Tata Motors, and Tata Motors is a good stock, so it can further move, and we can see a good demand in auto stocks. Also, we have got a favorable news from the budget, right? All these auto scrap news and the renewal, all those things, right? So we can expect automobile stock moving upwards. So any other queries, Manju, we have received? Right.
No, no other queries as of now.
Yeah. I think that is fine. So, we'll wind up, guys.
Yeah.
Thank you for your time. Please, if you are watching our video, please try to share with your friends. Okay, and also share our channel with your and also comment. Okay. Cheers. Good night. Happy trading. I'll end up this session.